Hello my dears. In the previous class we were discussing the chapter integers. Today we can deal question number 3 of the exercise 1.4. Question number 3 says that fill in the blanks. First one is 369 divided by dash equal to 369. So now we are required to find what is this blank. Let it be x. Okay, then 369 divided by x equal to 369. See, 369 divided by x equal to 369. Since this is division, if we are taking this x to the other side, it will change into multiplication. So, this 369 will be as it is. Now we are going to take this x to the other side. This 369 is the host here. Then this guest is coming as multiplication sign. Then keep this x here itself and take this 369 to this side. Now here this 369 is the host. Then this 369 is coming to this side. Then this multiplication will change into division. So 369 divided by 369 will give us the value of x. What is the value of 369 divided by 369? Any number divided by the same number, the value will be 1. So x equal to 1. Here we can write down 369 divided by, instead of x, what is the value of x? 1 equal to 369. Next one is minus 75 divided by dash equal to minus 1. Let this dash be x. Minus 75 divided by x equal to minus 1. Just keep minus 75 here itself. Minus 75 equal to, now we are taking this x to the other side. Then this division will change into multiplication. And who is the host here? Minus 1 itself. So write down minus 1 first. Then minus 1 into, this division will change into multiplication. Minus 1 into x. We are required to find the what is the value of x. So keep this x here itself and take this minus 1 to this side. Then here who is the host? Minus 75. And who is coming from the other side? Minus 1. And calculation is multiplication, that will change into division while we are crossing the bridge. So minus 75 divided by minus 1 will give us the value of x. Minus 75 divided by minus 1. 75 divided by 1. 75. Minus divided by minus. Plus. So positive 75 is the value of x. Minus 75 divided by 75 equal to minus 1. Question number C. Minus 206 divided by dash equal to 1. Let the dash be x. Minus 206 divided by x equal to 1. Take this x to the other side. Minus 206 equal to 1. And this division will change into multiplication into x. 1 into x. Let this x be there itself and take this 1 to the other side. Minus 206 divided by 1. Minus 206 divided by 1 is minus 206. So value of x is minus 206. minus 206 divided by minus 206 equal to 1. Next one, minus 87 divided by dash equal to 87. Let it be x. Minus 87 divided by x equal to 87. Minus 87 equal to 87 into x. Let this x be there itself, equal to x minus 87 divided by 87. Then 87 divided by 87, 1, minus divided by plus, minus. So minus 1 is the value of x. So writing down minus 87 divided by minus 1 equal to 87. Next one, dash divided by 1 equal to 87. Let this dash be x. So x divided by 1 equal to 87. X is equal to 87 into 1 equal to 87. So value of x is 87. So here we can write down 87 divided by 1 equal to 87. Then question number F. Dash divided by 48 equal to minus 1. Let this dash be x. So x divided by 48 equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 into 48 equal to minus 48. So what is the value of x? Minus 48. So we can write down here minus 48 divided by 48 equal to minus 1. Next one, 20 divided by dash equal to minus 2. Let this dash be x. So 20 divided by x equal to minus 2. 20 equal to minus 2 into, take this x to the other side. Then minus 2 into x. Then keep this x here. Then take this minus 2 to this side. Then 20 divided by minus 2. 20 divided by minus 2, what is the value? Minus 10. So value of x is minus 10. So 20 divided by minus 10 equal to minus 2. Next one, dash divided by 4 equal to minus 3. Let this dash be x. So x divided by 4 equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 into 4 equal to minus 12. So we can write down minus 12 here. Minus 12 divided by 4 equal to minus 3. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about these questions, please ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Joy from Max Ninjas.